Ready to level up your trading game? Then hop on over to the TradingView website and look for the high and low optimized trend tracker indicator. This baby will give your trading strategy some serious edge, but don't just use it as it is. You need to tweak it a bit to match what I'm doing. So go ahead and open the indicator settings and follow my lead. Check out this indicator. It paints a band on the chart that shows you when to make your move. If the price busts through the top of the band, that's a green light to buy. Look at this beauty right here. You could have made a killing with this one. We're talking about 119% profit in just one trade. Boom. But if the price drops below the bottom of the band, that's your cue to sell. Like in this case, where we bagged a nice 30% profit in a snap. This indicator is like a crystal ball for your trading. But let's spice things up with the multiple EMA indicator. This one will show you the big picture of the market, but first you need to tweak the indicator settings a bit to make it easier to read. Here's how it works. If the price is above the 100 period and 200 period exponential moving averages and the 100 period EMA is higher than the 200 period EMA, that means the market is on fire and it's good time to look for buy signals. But if the price is below the EMAs and the 100 EMA is lower than the 200 EMA, that means the market is cooling down and it's good time to look for sell signal. Want to go long? Then you need to check 3 things. First, look for a bullish breakout. That's when the price breaks above the top band. Next, check the 100 period EMA and the 200 period EMA. The 100 period EMA should be above the 200 period. That's a sign of a strong uptrend. Finally, make sure the price is above both EMAs. That's the cherry on top. When you see these 3 things, you can open a long position. Now, for your stop loss, use the lower band of the HLOTT indicator. And for your target, make it double your stop loss. That way, you have a smarter risk management strategy to boost your trading potential. Want to go short? Then you need to watch for a bearish breakout. That's when the price breaks below the bottom band. It's time to get ready. Next, look for the 100 period EMA and the 200 period EMA. The 100 period should be below the 200 period EMA. That's like the shorter moving average sliding under the longer one. Last but not least, confirm that the price is below both EMAs. This is the final confirmation of a strong downtrend. When you see these three things, you can open a short position. For your stop loss, use the upper band of the HLOTT indicator. And for your target, aim for double your stop loss. Now how about seeing how our strategy does in the real world? We tried it on 100 trades on the Bitcoin chart and the 30-minute time frame for 15 weeks, and the results will amaze you. Our strategy crushed 70% win rate and made us a whopping 290% profit. How incredible is that? Out of those 100 trades, we had 6 wins in a row and only 3 losses in a row. But if you're clueless about what the easiest strategy is to start raking in cash through trading, then you need to watch this recommended video right now.